name is Mamata, lecturer in economics. I am going to teach economics for class 11 and 12. Today we are going to discuss the first chapter of economics, that is Indian economy on the eve of independence. In this chapter, we are going to learn the basic features of the Indian economy as it is today in the aftermath of the independence. Ngashi akoina discuss tawgadoriba chapter ase Indian economy se akoina independence phangabo matam sida karamba phibam da lege haibaduni ngasimak leiba independence phangabo matam se India gi feature se economy se karam hain to na oirakhibano aruga masi independence phangdringai gi mamang dadi Indian economy se karamba phibam da leirami haibado aduni. There is a saying that a president cannot build without past. Akoina haina belai madudi akoigi hojik president se pass yaudravadi sagat pa yade haibasini. That Indian economy se hojik leiba phiba mase hojik ekte sembanate masigi yamna sangaba history ama matau karamba phibam da leirami de hojik leiba phibam se karamba phibam da kamaina lakhibano haibado madu darkar yamna lei. So it is equally important to know about the economic condition of India prior to independence, even though we know the present state as well as the future prospect of our economy. Aduna akoina hojik ki condition amadi future prospect of our economy khangboisu akoina independence phangdringegi mamang sidaida akoi Indian economy se karamba phibam da leirami haibado matusu khanaba yamna maru oiba amani. As we already know, India was under the British rule for about 2 centuries, and India got independence only in 1947, 15 August. Akoina khange madudi India se British ki makada almost 2 centuries aise chahi chani ni British na India se mokogi rule ki makada leiringa is the Indian economy se asok ki matik destroy toromi haibase masi akoina khangba yamna maru oi. The sole purpose of the British colonial rule was to reduce India to being a supplier of raw materials for Great Britain's own rapidly expanding modern industrial base. British na India se makoi gi rule gi makada thambi base masigi khwaidagi maru oiba pandamdi karinu haiba matamda India se Britain da lairiba industry singse sigi raw material supply tonana ba country amo oina thamba pambadune kaino haibada matamda India se raw material da yamna rich oiba country amo oirame aduna moigi pandamdi India se Britain da lairiba industry singse sigi raw material supply tonana ba country amo oina thamba pambani. Adagi masigi mathangda akoina khangadaba se British na India se rule tawringai matamda India gi economic condition se karamba phibam da leramge haibase masi amuk khana seba kamaina moina kayamna destroy tobage haibase. India had an independent economy before the advent of the British rule. India se British na rule tawdringai mamangda magi yamna independent oibe economy amo oijarame. Even though in those days the main livelihood of the people depends upon agriculture, Indian economy was characterized by various kinds of manufacturing activities. Matam to the kaino se megi India da leiriba mi se mokoge livelihood se agriculture da depend tawjarabo issue manufacturing industries gi activities mayam amasu leirame. Matam to the India se akogi handloom and handicraft ki maramda Pitribi the maming chalame karino habida magi cotton handicraft adagi silk handicraft, then metal, and then precious stone works high things like the porome kadubagino moise porome se haiba matamda akogi quality se yam phaba aduga magi high standard or kaino sineba craftsmanship sineba masidaida mase yamna phaujaramba adugumba kaino amane country amane. British na palaba matungda India gi economy se kamwaina destroy toge haiba matamda the economic policies pursued by the colonial government in India were concerned more with the protection and the promotion of the economic interests of their country than with the development of Indian economy never. moina India se British ki rule da thamaba matung da di makoina semiba policy sing sidi kamaina tawge haibada moigi country gi chaukat na bagi damak moigi country gi economic condition se masida hen hengan na bagi damak tane India gi economy se masi develop tawbag sigi mahut sidaida masingba magi policy sina kedore Indian gi kaino economy sidaida yam chauba hongba malae aduna India se hana leijaramba dugi mawong dudagi kayam gyam hongge haibase mase Britain gi industry gi damakta raw material supply toba country ma oire aduga British na puthokpa akoge finished manufactured goods se masigi consumer ma oireba so the economy se asuki mati kamaina so ino haiba matamda when we supply the raw materials we receive little. And when we import the finished manufactured goods, we have to pay more. See never in India. Akoina raw materials supply to bumatam dadi akoina paisa se kajikatang phangeba. Aduga akoina finished manufactured goods masi import to bumatam dadi kamai tore akoi yam moina maman yam tangla lawe akoi yam paisa yam pi batay na akoi gi balance of payments pura deficit balance of payment ni asigi mathakta kamaina toge have matamda masina village and small scale industries asuki mate hale India gi economy se ke amu yamna shoke habada magi handloom and handicraft tawjaraga khutna sajaraga khocharaga magi livelihood tanjaramba villages singse mogi British ki machine na puthokpa akogi fajaba goods sing the poche sing na Indian markets da flooded orabenina magi hana gi handicraft ki poshing adagi sajaraga puthokpa poshing se masi ki leibi na base masi leitre haba leita basna maram oidana mi singse unemployment gi problem se asuki matik wange makoi gi senthung gi phibam se asukki matik sokchal heba machine British na Indian economy sha masta kamaina mang takhange haibase adagi obviously also the colonial government never made any sincere attempt to estimate India's national income and per capita income aduna British government, British colonial government, machine any kind of attempt to de kari karamba attempt no ba India ki national income se kaya no magi per capita income se kaya no per capita income have se kaya no have the income of a person per year or aduga in other words yearly income of a person have a per capita income have se mi amana chahi amada phangadawa mahaki income do adune masigum base kana matana moina hot na ba attempt to base tawram de haba aduga mathang da akoina khanga dabase British rule gi makha da akoi gi agriculture sector se karamba phibam da leiramge habase masi amuk naina seva Indian economy under the British rule remained fundamentally agrarian. Agrarian habase masigi meaning they most of the peoples earn their income from the agricultural sector habane akoi gi mi singshina mogi hingna na bagi damakta income se karamba sector dagi tali have matamda mage agriculture and allied activities se masidagi tali have never income se adu orboishu mi ayam bana majority of the people sina mogi livelihood se agriculture dagi tala boishu kamaina toge have the agriculture se suki matik chaukhate productivity of the agriculture was so low akoi gi agriculture productivity se suki matik nemre adagi mai se kaino stagnant in agriculture le stagnant in agriculture le se there were so many causes for this cause akoi gi agriculture da stagnant oiribase masigi maram se yamle aikoina mi ayam bana magi occupation se agriculture da leiraboisu mai agriculture da akogi chaukhatpa productivity hengatpa haibado adudi leite haba matam du daida adogidi maram se asukematak yam gre there were so many causes for this stagnation maram se samna hairabada kainosi the stagnation in agriculture was mainly caused by the various land settlement system introduced by the colonial government such as Jamindari system ꯑꯗꯨ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯂꯣ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕꯅꯣ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯍꯟꯊꯔꯤꯕꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯦꯟ ꯁꯦꯇꯜꯃꯦꯟꯠꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯁꯇꯦꯝ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯧꯗꯣꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯄꯜ ꯖꯃꯤꯟꯗꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯤꯁꯇꯦꯝꯅꯤ ꯖꯃꯤꯟꯗꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯤꯁꯇꯦꯝꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ ꯒꯕꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟ ꯀꯣꯂꯣꯅꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯒꯕꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯁꯤꯅ ꯖꯃꯤꯟꯗꯥꯔꯅꯦꯅ ꯃꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯈꯜꯂꯔꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯦꯛꯁ ꯈꯣꯝꯒꯠꯄꯁꯦ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛꯠꯂꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯜꯇꯤꯚꯦꯇꯔꯁꯇꯒꯤ ꯈꯣꯝꯒꯠꯇꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯔꯇꯦꯟ ꯄꯦꯔꯤꯌꯗ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯇꯥꯏꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯖꯃꯤꯟꯗꯥꯔꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯔꯇꯦꯟ ꯑꯦꯃꯥꯎꯟꯠ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯃꯅꯤꯁꯦ ꯅꯣꯏꯅ ꯗꯤꯄꯣꯖꯤꯠ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯥꯎ ꯃꯆ ꯇꯦꯛꯁ ꯁꯨड ꯕꯤ ꯀꯂꯦꯛꯇꯦꯠ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯣꯝ ꯗ ꯀꯜꯇꯤꯚꯦꯇꯔꯁꯇꯨꯗꯤ ꯅꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯦꯞꯆꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯅꯊꯣꯛꯑꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯖꯃꯤꯟꯗꯥꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯗ ꯖꯃꯤꯟꯗꯥꯔ collected maximum amount of rent from the cultivators regardless of their economic condition of the cultivators sineba jamindar singna kamai tawi akhoi farmer singsigi economic condition se masi khangbi dana moina maximum amount of rent se khongale khongot kaduna cultivator singsigi economic condition se masi asukki mate kaino falhandre aduga magi social tension su yamna wanghanleba sina jamindari system sina adagi atopa maram amasina kamaina toge habda jamindar na su adai colonial government na su akoi gi lam se farmer sing sina low ujariba lam se masigi condition se phagatna na ba karimata tobide adagi di hum suba kosna अखोई कहीं से टेक्नोलॉजी से याम चौखतबा ओल्ड टेक्नोलॉजी दा अखोई ब्लॉक्स ना लौ खोइबा अदगिदी मॉडर्न मेथड सिजनबदी लाइरदना अखोई मागी ट्रेडिशनल सीड्स अदुम सिजनबा अदगी मोगी लैक ऑफ इरिगेशन फैसिलिटीज अखोई दाम दगी इसिंग फंगबा खोपा अदुगुंबगी फैसिलिटीज सु मतमदुदा फंगदबा अरगी फार्मर सिंगसिगी इकोनॉमिक कंडीशन से मसिसु यामना फतबनेना मोइना हार गुंबा लेर खोलगा अखोगी हापचनबसे सिगुंबगी कंडीशन से लेजदेबा सिगी मल्टीपल माई कॉजेस सिना ब्रिटिश के मतमदा एग्रीकल्चरल सेक्टर से दुम स्टैग्नेंट ओरगा माई प्रोडक्टिविटी से यामना लो ओइबसे मसिगी मरम सिंग से मसिना नेबा फॉर टुडे लेट्स स्टॉप हियर एंड लेट्स मीट अगेन इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास